Hello guys, today in this video I am going to show how to use goto method. So to jump any condition or to crack any app, how to use goto method. So I have one app. So when I open it, it gets an alert dialog like piracy alert. So it will not allow you to open. So when I click OK, it will exit the app. So now I have to remove that dialog. So now I'll go to empty manager. I have already backed that file, so it is here. So I click on view and I will view text. So after see, when I open this app, it is showing dialog. So I will search for piracy alert. The text on this dialog. So I have already searched this piracy alert. So now we got the piracy alert text where it is. So now we can see here that sorry. So here we got this piracy alert text. So now you can see that it is an dialog code. It is the dialog code is from here. The dialog code starts from here and until here. So now to hack this we have until here. Now we can have two methods or three methods to hack this. One is to delete this entire dialog code. So and another method is that see here it is running an condition above this dialog code, that is if it is not equal to v0 then condition 70 will be executed. So when the v0 is not when v0 is not equal to 0, then the condition 70 will be executed, that is it will directly go to condition 70, then this dialog code will not execute. So we have to make this condition run so that the dialog code will not execute. So now you can see here we have one condition running. So here see, when this condition will run these steps, after running these steps it will move results to v0. So this v0 is checked here, that is equal to 0 or not. When it is not equal to 0, then condition 70 will be executed. So we can make this v0 has uh, we can make this v0 as 1 so that it is not equal to 0 and I can run condition 70. So and we have third step, that is instead of making all that we can directly go to an jump statement, that is go to. So if we add go to we are not bothered about v0, because if the v0 it will not be checked here, so it will directly jump. It is also not, and here the no condition is taken, so it will no matter what it will directly go to condition 70. So then this all alert dialog will be skipped, this dialog will be skipped. So now it is done, we have added go to method. Now we will compile it. So I will compile it once again. So it is done. Now we go back. So now it is done. Let's install. So now it is done. Let's open. Now you can see there is no dialog. So we can also open anything and let's test. So it is working fine. So thanks for watching.